beautiful. Keep going.
Okay, well, Kevin's outside.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, have a gracious day. You're beautiful, you guys. Jonathan, go and take a picture with Miracle.
Okay.
Keep going, you both of you. Hello. It's so beautiful.
I'm gonna show my ass. Right?
Okay, are we good? Kardashian vibes.
Really?
Okay, are we ready?
Can I wash my hands?
Sure, here.
No, you're not allowed to wash your hands here.
So I'll start touching everything.
I'm just kidding. Of course you are. Are you really asking that Tessa question?
You're
Yes.
so beautiful. I like your hair, Missy.
Yeah,
Oh, la
right?
la.
Hopefully the rain doesn't wreck it. Every single time there's somewhere to go.
I want you to come visit often here, Jonathan.
Okay.
We're gonna have fun. How is Mom doing?
She's good. She came to London as well as Seattle.
Oh, did she? Okay, good.
It was fun.
That's nice. Yeah.
My mom loves going to the airport lounges.
Oh, yeah?
I'm like, okay. She just likes to sit there and eat, and I'm like, yeah, that was great.
Yeah. Well, just enjoy it for the day, you know. That's what we are doing with Miracle. We just enjoy each other.
That's gonna be like a meme,
I love it. Miracle memes.
right?
That's a good one. Don't miss it.
You finish the rest.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, I should have brought lip gloss.
Okay, let's go to this funeral.
I'm crying this funeral.
Hey, you guys.
Okay, Mom, love you. We're coming.
Okay.
We're leaving now.
Take care, you guys. Have fun. Be safe.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
Love you.
Jonathan. See you again, honey.
I'm crying.
Okay, love you guys.
Love you.
Okay, take care.
Have fun, my love.
Yeah.
Kevin's definitely dropping me off in front of the door.
Me too.
I'm crying.
Hey, you have your mask?
Oh shit, I need my mask.
Here.
Is that it? Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for my love.
Take care. Have fun. Drive safe.
Oh no.
Oh, it's raining.
I should have brought my Today Show umbrella.
You should have.
Can you open my door? Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Be safe.
Okay. I think I've taken enough where I've gotten at least one. I'm gonna like, hopefully, should I take one without this?
Saan ka, nanay? Bakit malayo ka?
Okay.
Video? Sounds like it. It's making a video?
Nanay. Let's go. It's already 4 o'clock.
Yeah, let's go.
Are they close?
You're beautiful,
Love you.
Missy.
Yala. It's cute one.
My legs is...
Your legs look great.
Yeah.
What do you mean? They look you have muscle and tone.
I know.
Yeah,
because
you have to do more stretching, nanay.
I am.
Stretching.
I'm
Come
doing
on.
it. My... another infrastructure. Build, build, build.
Exactly.
That's another high-rise building, I think.
Yeah, they get so many here, even downtown Toronto.
Yeah.
But they should build subsidized apartments.
Yeah, I think
They
it
should build
needed.
them for people who are really in need. There are millions of people there. They need subsidized buildings, apartments. The government has not built anything from very long time.
But sometimes even a subsidized building, sometimes it's so expensive.
It depends, like when they build subsidized, they take application from different people and they see the family income, like how many people in the family.
Yeah,
They
if there is the right person to
yeah,
process your
yeah,
application.
the process of application.
Here in this area, they don't have a change yet. The building is still old.
Yes, some places there.
Like here in Orpus Road,
Yes.
there's no changes.
No. No good area.
But in other area, my goodness.
Fuel house, man?
Yes.
Sure, man. Sure.
Soul
Looks
House.
busy here too.
We're having
People
a
here.
Mother's Day dinner
Oh,
here.
yeah, sure. Is okay here?
Yeah, here's
Yeah.
good.
Okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much,
Have a
ma'am.
gracious
Have a
day.
nice day.
Bye.
Have you been seriously injured in a car or motorcycle accident?
It's not a good background when our curtain is shut it off the wall.
Okay, well you can open them, but I have to leave in like 2 minutes. Okay. I'm going to go now, my love. My bed, yeah. Okay, love you. Love you. Have fun.
I love you, you too.
Thank you for helping me with all my outfits.
Okay. Safe. Have fun.
Okay, will do.
That we are the traditional and still used territory of many First Nations, including the Haudenosaunee, the Anishinaabe, the Wendat peoples. My name is 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐿. I am your Liberal Party candidate, and I believe I am the only progressive choice that has the opportunity and the best likelihood of defeating Stan Show and getting rid of the Conservative government in Ontario. And that is why I'm asking you to support me, while I have some very capable other colleagues here who are passionate in pursuing change for Willowdale. I don't believe any of them will actually be successful in coalescing the vote. And the most important thing for us in this election is to understand that this election, like all elections, but this particular one, is about choices. It is a choice about whether you have a representative who shows up to work. I have shown up here. It is a choice about where we take our healthcare system. It is a choice about where we take our public education system. It is a choice about the environment and the legacy we leave for our children.
I'm very happy to be here, and for you to be here, and for the 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐿 Neighborhood Association to host this event. I am not 𝐓𝐚𝐦𝐻𝐸𝐿, who is the Green Party candidate for Willowdale. This is a picture of her. She is I'm standing in for her because we think it's very important for you to come here and hear the Green Party platform. But Monica is a social worker, and she has a master's in social work, and she works in a residential supporting housing organization where she sees firsthand the importance of mental health, affordable housing, and a healthy environment.
Yeah, I'm the candidate for the Ontario Party, and I came into this election because I saw that there was a lot of things being done that I didn't agree with. There was some things done that I do agree with, but before I go into that, I'll just give you my background. My father came here in the late 50s, and I'm the first generation Italian in his family. And he came here and he worked very hard to advance. We were a big family, we were 7 children, and so it was a really tough life, and they did everything, including my mother, to stay home. She stayed home and supported us while my father worked. It was like traditional stuff. This is not what's happening nowadays, but that foundation led to myself, my brother, going through to university and going way above what they expected. Canada and Ontario, it's a land of opportunity, and I wanted to stay as a land of opportunity.
Thank you. Hal Berman from the New Democratic Party. And thank you very much for the opportunity to be here. It's actually not just a privilege to be here, but I think it should be an obligation. It's a sign of our respect to you, the voters, the people that we would like to get to support us. We want to represent you. We should be here tonight. I've participated in elections at all levels of government since 1984, and I can't think of a time when the stakes were higher. This is the time that Ontario has to make a decision for what we're going to do as a province. We're faced with so many existential crises, issues that have to be solved now, if Ontario is to be the province that we want our children and grandchildren to have. I've been knocking on doors all around the riding, And the theme that I hear over and over again is affordability. Food, gasoline, rent, mortgages, everything is going up. No matter how hard you work, it seems that you just can't make ends meet. We're seeing the effects of climate change right before our eyes, and the race to keep the planet livable is real. It's here. We have a healthcare system that's at the brink of collapse. As a physician who works right here in the riding, I can tell you that.
Pero magkadugtong to, no?
Yeah, I think it is one owned by one company.
One ano?
Yeah,
Owner.
because they have the same structure.
Sorry, the cards. Yeah, the cards. Yeah. Ayan na sila, oh. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I'm skinny again. I got a little bit, but I'm still looking good, right?
Yeah, of course.
The working out is what helps.
One.
I was like, I'll channel Audrey Hepburn. Yeah, I look really good. Okay.
I know God is good.